Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable Apple Intelligence, and I will also demonstrate you 3 quick examples of how you can use it in your day-to-day work. So to enable the Apple Intelligence, if it's not enabled by default on your MacBook, you have to open the Apple menu and go to System Settings. Next, in Settings, on the sidebar, find Apple Intelligence and Siri, and enable both Apple Intelligence and Siri by switching 2 of these toggles to the right. Also, wait until the Apple Intelligence services are installed on your computer. Once you do that, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. And now let me show you how you can use the Apple Intelligence features. First of all, you can summarize and optimize text in many different applications that use text. But for example, let's use Notes. Here we have a full article about a musical album. As you can see, it's not formatted, and it's also way too long and too hard to read. So I want to summarize it. To do this, I just have to click this Show Writing Tools icon, and now I want now here I will have to describe my change. So I want to properly format this text and make it shorter and easier to read. And now you can just press enter, or you can generally use one of these features that you can see on the screen, but let's just rewrite the text according to the prompt that we used here. And as you can see, it didn't really format it. I mean, it did, but without any boldness or anything, and it did actually shorten it, and with leaving the context of the text, but making the text much easier to read and much shorter. So that's one feature that you can use in your everyday life. Now let's also check what you can do with photos. So in your gallery, open a photo, then select Edit, and let's automatically enhance this photo quality by clicking right here for auto enhancements. Now I can see after the photo is auto enhanced, let's tap down, and we can see that the photo quality has improved, but maybe this is not the best example. Let's use, for example, this photo. Let's just press the right here and let the AI take care of the photo. Okay, I used to be able to see the progress before of the enhancements, but let's okay, so let me just make it closer. Okay, so this is a photo without an enhancement, and right now we can see the enhanced photo. And as you can see, it didn't add any artifacts, and the photo looks much better this way, much brighter. The brightness has significantly improved, and generally speaking, that's great. This is completely great, especially considering that I didn't have to do anything I mean manually to do this. And now as the last example, I want to use Siri. So let's go to the apps menu, and let's find Siri here, and let's give it a more advanced task than we usually give to Siri, like asking what time is it or play music on Spotify. So let's ask it, write a brief email requesting a meeting, and let's see what it does. To write that, you need to enable ChatGPT. Tap get started. Let's click next, enable ChatGPT, and right now it's working along with ChatGPT. And as you can see, Siri just wrote us the entire email, and now we can copy it and send it to whenever we want, whoever we wanted to send it to. And that's just just 3 brief example. We can also create native AI powered workflows with this feature, but this would make a much longer video out of it. So I hope that you found this video helpful, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.